When it comes to shorter routes, airlines prefer the Airbus A220 for its fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. With its advanced aerodynamics and lightweight design, the Airbus A220 reduces operating costs and emissions, making it a sustainable choice. Passengers love the spacious cabin, large windows, and modern amenities, providing a pleasant flying experience. So next time you're on a short-haul flight, you might just be cruising in the Airbus A220, the top choice for airlines looking to soar efficiently and comfortably.